Hey, I'm Zarin, Admissions Manager here at Wagon London. So we are a coding bootcamp founded in Paris in 2013. We now have campuses across 45 cities globally. We teach web development and data science over 9 weeks full-time or 24 weeks part-time, where students learn how to build fully functioning web applications, while our data science students learn how to work with big data sets and gain meaningful insights. So we have a product focus, team collaboration, and necessity to ask for help when it's needed. So this is something we instill in our students each day of the bootcamp so they're ready for the world of work. In terms of benefits for employers, they are having students who are able to learn technical skills very quickly due to the intensity of the program, which are directly transferable into a real-life professional environment. Our students are coming from varied backgrounds, so they're easily able to communicate technical knowledge in layman terms to wider teams in sales, operations, marketing, and even finance. What we're really looking for is a genuine ambition and motivation to succeed in learning how to code. We have had students aged between 18 to 60 completing our bootcamps, and we aren't limited by educational prerequisites like most traditional academic routes into careers. Students have been those deciding to do a bootcamp instead of university or college. Some have been lawyers, accountants, consultants, working in hospitality, marketing, sales, or business development roles, chefs, actors, professional athletes, and so many more. We firmly believe that everyone has the potential to learn to code. It all depends on their level of motivation and commitment to upskilling, the curiosity to learn a lot of technical things, and their understanding of how to collaborate with others during the learning experience in their tech career afterwards.